Well, hello and welcome. From last 3 days, I'm covering and daily I'm covering the Sushant Singh Rajput case. And yes, also there's a breaking news also today. And I'm sure that till 14 June or more days after 14 June, the case will continue and breaking news will come day by day. So the breaking news is today that Neeraj and Keshav was questioned for the second day. Yes. Also today they were quizzed by NCB in the Control Bureau of NCB. And the next news is that Siddharth Pithani, yes, his first custody was going to over on 1st June, and today when High Court hears for the one more time, his custody was extended to 4th June. Yes, now he has to stay till 4th June in their custody of NCB. Now here's the report I want to read for you, that in a big development, Sushant Singh Rajput case. It's Sushant Singh Rajput's roommate Siddharth Pithani NCB custody has been extended to June 4 on Tuesday. The custody extension order was passed by the magistrate of the court in Mumbai. Meanwhile, the NCB has summoned Sushant Singh Rajput staffers Neeraj and Keshav also on Tuesday. So that was a breaking news on Tuesday, and I hope that justice will prevail very soon. Now, as you are seeing that every day there was a new breaking news coming every day. So now we just have to think that what CBI will expose. This is just NCB. The main CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation, has revealed nothing till now. Now we have to wait for all the corrupts. And one thing I want to share in the end. Yesterday I was live on my Instagram page. I used to talk with all of my viewers. I used to talk with all of you. And when I was ending, a fan page joined me, and the fan page was about Riya Chakravarti. Yes, the fan page name was Riya. No, I'm not going to take the fan page name. It is not allowed per the guidelines. But that she was abusing me and all the SSRians, all the Arnab Goswami fans. In my Instagram page, I have clearly mentioned that I am the fan of Arnab Goswami and Sushant Singh Rajput. Then after seeing that this is a fan of SSR and Arnab Goswami, she also then after seeing this, even after seeing that, she also joins and try to abuse all the fans of the Sushant Singh Rajput. She writes that हम रिया चक्रवर्ती को जेल नहीं जाने देंगे, और मैंने कहा रिया चक्रवर्ती तो जेल जाके रही. तो मैंने कहा, फिर उसने कहा कि मैं उसको लेके आऊँ. मैंने कहा तुम एमएलए की बेटी हो क्या, प्रधानमंत्री तुम पे शोभा नहीं देता. उसके बाद लगभग 100 से ज़्यादा SSRians ने उसके अकाउंट्स को रिपोर्ट कर दिया है. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि अगर आप मुझे फॉलो करते हो तो उसके अकाउंट को ज़रूर रिपोर्ट करें. अब मैं सीधा नाम लेने वाली हूँ. Riya_our_inspiration. Riya_our_inspiration है पेज का नाम. ये बोलते हुए ना मुझे इतना घटिया लगता है, इतनी शर्माती. कल yesterday I have tried to stop myself a lot, otherwise I can also abuse her, but this is not my guidelines. Thank you.